Welcome learners to the transformative world of Industry 4.0. In this era of technological advancement, the fourth industrial revolution is reshaping the very fabric of our lives. From manufacturing to healthcare, transportation to agriculture, every sector is experiencing a seismic shift. And now, it's your chance to embark on a journey that will empower you to thrive in this dynamic landscape. Now you have a unique opportunity to step into the digital future. Unlike previous industrial revolutions, this fourth one has opened up the possibility for all individuals and companies to take the lead, regardless of their previous positions on the world business map. Only those who are digitally fit can overcome the challenges posed by Industry 4.0. As Charles Darwin said, "It is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent that survives. It is the one that is the most adaptable to change." Harmut Rowan, Deputy Executive Director of the German Mechanical Industry Association, VDMA, said in 2012 that implementation starts with small steps, here and there. There will be no big bang that will introduce Industry 4.0 immediately. On the contrary, it will come step by step. But when we look back in 10 years, we will see that the world has changed significantly. Our online course on Industry 4.0 is designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to stay ahead of the curve, to remain competitive, and to seize the countless opportunities that lie ahead. Why should you invest your precious time in understanding Industry 4.0? The answer is simple: survival and prosperity. The rapid pace of change demands that we adapt and evolve alongside the technologies that are revolutionizing industries. By gaining a deep understanding of this transformative era, you will unlock the potential to revolutionize your own career and unlock new avenues of success. Throughout this course, you will explore the key concepts that define Industry 4.0. You will delve into the realms of artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data, Internet of Things, augmented and virtual reality, cybersecurity, and so on. You will witness how automation and robotics are reshaping traditional manufacturing processes, and how digitalization is empowering businesses to achieve unprecedented levels of efficiency and productivity. But this course is not just about theory. We are committed to providing you with practical insights and real-world applications. You will have the opportunity to explore successful Industry 4.0 implementations and learn from industry experts. By the end of this course, you will emerge as a confident, future-ready professional with the ability to leverage the power of Industry 4.0 to drive innovation, unlock new business opportunities, and shape the world around you. Remember, the future belongs to those who embrace change and take proactive steps to stay relevant. The fourth industrial revolution is here, and it's time for you to take the lead. Join us in this exciting journey of knowledge and discovery. Enroll now in our Industry 4.0 course and let us empower you to thrive in the age of digital transformation. Together, we will unlock a world of endless possibilities.